Well, it's another week gone, and it's another Lick Friday, and this is your lick. Yep, it's a beaut. It's a beaut. I love it. I love this type of lick. It's kind of one of those licks that I would use regularly because it's got some kind of flavour to it. It's got a bit of flamboyance to it in a sense, with the speed and the sort of accuracy required to make it happen cleanly, despite of how much distortion you're using. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and that bell button for all the notifications when all these videos become live. If you haven't done so already, check out my jamming tracks, my other jams, and obviously along to the jamming tracks that I create, and yeah, just on my other Lick Fridays as well. So there's all kinds of lessons and things on this channel, so please check them out. Come and see me on Facebook, Instagram, all linked below. And if you want the tabs for this, it's up there. As you can hear the rain, it's not up with the rain, but it's up there in that corner and down below for dansguitar.com and Patreon pages. So all of that, you can get tabs and various lessons that you won't find on YouTube as well. So yeah, the lick itself, it's based around sort of C sharp minor. Very speedy at the beginning, so you're going to have to work on your chops for that one, and just use whatever fingers you feel comfortable with. Don't push the speed, start off with, but really focus on the sound of it and the evenness of it. So slow that little section down as you go through. And yeah, the rest of the lick kind of works for itself. It's a standard pentatonic lick, just it's got this very fast sort of bit at the beginning, which really is quite tricky if you're not used to that type of thing. So there you go. Without rambling on once again too much, let's get on with the breakdown. Starts off with this little bit. Nice little lick in itself, just to do the... If you can get that going as a repetitive thing, whatever it is. Anyway, if you can repeat that round, that would be absolutely great, because it's a nice lick to add into things. So anyway, you're starting off with 9th fret, 1st string, going to the 2nd string, 12, pull off to 9. And then you've got 12 on the 1st string, pull off to 9, to the 12 on the 2nd string. Okay, so... and then you've got the 9 on the 1st string to the 12, so that's part of that lick if you like, on the 2nd string, pulling off to 9, and then the bend on that 2nd string slowly from the 12th fret. Add vibrato in if you want to at the top of that. Then you end up with the next part of the lick, which is a nice lick again in itself, so again a dual lick if you like within one of these Lick Fridays. So you end up with the 9th fret 1st string, 12 pull off to 9 on the 2nd string, and then it's straight into a bend on the 11th fret on the 3rd string, and then it's 9 on the 2nd to 12 on the 2nd, so, and then you've got 11 back onto that 11 on that 3rd string, and then 9 on the 2nd, 9 on the 1st, and then you repeat that lick again. Okay, with the bend on 11, 9, 12, and then you've got this, the second part of it. Instead of going 11 bend, 9, 9, you're going 11 bend, sorry, not 11 bend, like that. So it's like... Okay, so after you've done the repetitions, you've got 11th fret 3rd string, 9 on the 2nd, roll that across to 9 on the 3rd with a slight blues curl, and then the 11 on the 4th string to finish. Slide it out or add it into your own licks and add more after that. It's entirely up to you. Play it slowly for you now. So it goes. So You've made it to the end once more, and if you want the tabs, they are linked there and down there on dansguitar.com, and you can also go to the Patreon page. If you haven't subscribed already and you like these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe button and the bell button for all the notifications of when everything becomes live. Watch my jams, go to Facebook, Instagram and come and say hi and give me all your relevant sort of questions to this video, really. Apologies for the rain, not a lot I can do about that. It's wet outside. There you go. Right, see you next week for week 254.